If you saw one of my other videos, I actually lost my drone. I was flying trying to locate deer or where deer could be, and I've never been one of these people who take a drone and just fly it over trees, fly it out of sight, and they get amazing footage, but I was always too afraid I was going to lose my drone. Lo and behold, I do it the first time in my life and I lose my drone. Losing the drone wasn't a complete loss. That drone was an old drone. The battery life on it, I think I could get 7 minutes of flight out of it. So you can't really do a whole lot in 7 minutes. It doesn't take a whole lot of time to get footage, but sometimes setting up and prepping and maybe doing a couple trial runs, you definitely need more than 7 minutes. With that type of drone, you'd have to have your flight plan planned out way ahead of time. I do want to add drone footage to my videos. I think it adds another element, and I enjoy flying drones. I enjoy creating, there's something about the drone when it's flying. It's smooth gimbal, it has smooth footage, like cinematic footage, and I'm really attracted to that. So having a drone in my footage is something that I want to do, and when I lost my drone, I thought I'm going to replace it sooner or later. Well, I replaced it sooner. This is the DJI Mini 3. There's a DJI Mini 3 Pro, and now there's a DJI Mini 4 Pro. So this is not the latest iteration of this drone, but for the money, $549 for the drone, a single battery, and the remote with the screen on it, the RC1 I believe it's called, it's $549. To get the Mini 3 Pro, which everyone's out of stock because they're pushing the Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 3 Pro was $750 I think, and then the Mini 4 Pro with the same RC1 controller was $1,000, $950 I think it was. That's a little too rich for my blood. I don't fly a drone all that much. I do like having a drone, but I don't fly it all that much. I felt like this drone here met my needs. Now it does not have some of the features of the more expensive or the upgraded, the 3 Pro or even the 4 Pro, but it has the same camera, same gimbal as the 3 Pro, has the same battery as the 3 Pro. For all intents and purposes, it's the same drone, it just doesn't have the sensors. Typically I fly in wide open areas, so my other drone only had the sensors in the front, which didn't even do it any good because it still crashed into a tree. So I figured for the price, I'm gonna forego the sensors. But I will say that for the ease of use, I put this thing in cinematic mode. I followed a guy on YouTube's recommendations for what to do your settings. I'll put a link in the description for that, for his video that tells you what settings to use for cinematic. Right out of the gate, after I made those adjustments, first time flying a drone, I got this footage right here. Just wanted to give an update on the drone situation, and happy to bring this guy on board.